Welcome to the Introduction to Small Business. This video will explain how to complete the Google Classroom Assignment 2.04 Survey Exchange. Go to your classwork tab, click View Your Work to see incomplete assignments, or scroll down to Unit 2 for all of the assignments that begin with the number 2. Here is 2.4 Survey Exchange. You will post a link to your survey in the discussion board. Click View Question. This is where you will post your link. Now let me walk you through how to sign up for SurveyMonkey and how to create a survey. So first, you will go to surveymonkey.com. And then you will sign up for SurveyMonkey. If you already signed up in class, then you will log in, which I will show you in a moment. But if you have not signed up, then go to the Google Sign Up. This way, you can sign up using your Gmail account. Click Google. It remembers me, so it didn't let me choose, but you will sign up using your Google account. Then it will open it so that you have your account ready to go. You will click the button Create Survey. Then you will click the button on the left sidebar, Start from Scratch. Some of you will not see it on the left. You may see it in the middle. So check the boxes in the middle to see if you can find Start from Scratch. Click Start from Scratch. You will need to give your survey a name. So my survey name is going to be Leah's Adult Ed Consulting. My category for my survey is General Market Research. I am going to use my own contacts and I'm going to do one question at a time. And now I see how I had to scroll down a little bit to see the button Create Survey. Then I see my field where I can enter my question. The first question I want to know is the age of the people who I am surveying, because I want to find adult learners. So how old are you, for example? Over here, we can choose what kind of question to use. You can click the drop-down menu and you will see many options. Multiple choice means that customers can choose one option only. Checkbox means they can choose more than one, as many as they want. For their age group, I only want them to choose one thing, so I'm going to put multiple choice. Enter your answer. 18 to 25, 26 through 40, 41 through 60, over 60. Now these are the choices I am putting in for my customers to choose from. Okay, I could put one more category under 18. I guess that would be a good idea. So let me switch how I did that to make sure I have one category for the younger group as well. What just happened there? Oh yeah. 18 to 25, and then under 18. There, that's better. Then I go to next question. When you scroll up, you can see the question that you did. Okay? Next question, I want to know their education level. For example, what is your level of education? You will make questions that are good for your business idea. Multiple choice, I only want them to choose one level. Less than high school equivalency. High school diploma or equivalency. Some college or post-secondary, for example, associate's degree, bachelor, 4-year degree, more than 4 year. Okay, again, I'm writing the choices that they can choose from, and then I'm going to next question. Now, I can ask demographic questions, but I can also ask questions about their interests. For example, what educational services are you interested in? This time, I want them to make more than one choice. So I am going to choose check boxes. That means the customers can make different choices. Why did they? What educational services are you interested in? Educational. Good. Check boxes. Okay. Now I have to give them different choices. What are some of the services I want to offer? I want to offer English language learning. I want to offer GED prep. I want to offer college readiness. I want to offer services for occupation. No, let's do career. Maybe citizenship, etc. Okay, and I put all of the choices of the services that I have to offer, and then I click next question. Let's do one more question. This question is going to be about values. I want to know how much my customers are willing to spend. Maybe I want to know how much my customers value convenience. And I'm going to use a multiple choice, and I'm going to ask, how much are you willing to pay per hour for tutoring services? For example, $25 to $30, $30 to $40, $40 to $50, $50 to $60, for example. Okay? Now, maybe that is my last question. So now I'm going to save. I can look at my questions, and if I like them, I can click Done. If I see a mistake, I can go back and I can click Edit. So I can change something that I want to change. Edit, I can delete, I can do different things with these questions. I am going to say it's good, and I'm going to say done. When I click done, that means my survey is almost ready. You will see the breadcrumbs, these are called breadcrumbs, to show where you are in the process of creating your survey. We are in the design phase, and we are going to go to the preview and score phase after I click done. Okay, save. Oh, hang on. Sorry. Next. Next is what I want to click after done. Next. Okay, now I moved into the preview and score page. Basically, that is just so I can look at what I have done one more time to see if it is good, and then I can click next. And now we are moving into the collect responses. I have 3 ways to collect responses. I can email directly to people using their emails. I can post a link to social media, to Facebook, to one person's email so they can send it to other people. And we are going to use this one to post to our discussion board. Or I can make a print document to print out and hand a paper copy to people. We are going to click on the link. So I click the link, and I have these choices again, and here it is, share a survey link. Click. Here is the link, and I click copy. Okay, now I have my survey link copied, and I am going to go back to my classroom, Google Classroom, and I am going to post that link. All right, here I am back in my classroom. Here I am back in 2.04 Survey Exchange, and here I am back to where I want to post my answer, and I am going to Control V for copy. Or if you're on a Mac, Command V. Then I'm going to click Turn In. Click Turn In. And now I will have my survey on the discussion board for other people to try. You can also click on See Classmates' Answers to find their surveys. And you can click on the surveys to try them. You can also give feedback to your classmates here. That is how you create a survey on SurveyMonkey and how you share it to the discussion board for 2.04 Survey Exchange. There will be another video on how to get the information in SurveyMonkey and how to analyze it. Thank you.